Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's CyMax FinTech Market Insights. As usual, it's split into 4 parts, and here's part 1. First of all, our disclaimer as usual. So trading involves the risk of loss of capital. It's not suitable for everyone, although hopefully it is for you. And just be aware of leverage, because you could lose substantially more than your initial investment. Everything we include in here is just purely for educational purposes. We're not trying to encourage you to trade or invest. That must be your decision. And of course, carefully consider the risks involved, your financial situation, your level of experience and risk appetite, and only risk capital you're prepared, but more importantly, you can afford to lose. If you've got any doubts whatsoever, seek independent financial advice before you risk your capital. Okay, so as usual, we are starting with what's been going on in the last week. So we had lots of Fed speakers. Remarks were mixed on where rates were going in June. Although Friday's PCE data may convince the Dubs to vote for maybe just one more 25 basis point hike. In the US, PMIs showed a similar pattern to be honest, most other countries. They was all above 50 except for manufacturing. In the US, it dropped back to under 50 to 48.5. Again, Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index was down 15, which was lower than expected, and oil inventories was a big drawdown of over 12 million. Jobless claims came in pretty much unchanged. GDP was a 1.3% annualized rate. Durable goods for April came in at 1.1%. And then, of course, we had the Fed's favourite inflation metric, PCE. Month on month, it was up 0.4%, which is more than double what it needs to be. And that meant sort of year on year, 4.4%. So it's creeping back up again, which obviously is not going to impress the Fed. Okay, UK, as mentioned, the PMI is, generally above 50 apart from manufacturing. And in the UK, that came in at 46.9. Retail sales surprise, though, they was actually up just 0.5% month on month, but they're still down 3% year on year, which I suppose not bad really. In other data, sort of when we look at the inflation data, CPI headline was 8.7 year on year, so it was down. Core was 6.8% year on year, again down, but higher than forecast. And then if we look at PPE, again that went up. That was up 1.5% month on month and 11.4% year on year. In the EU, PMI, just the same story really. Generally above 50 apart from manufacturing. That came in at 44.6 though, so that's pretty low. Construction was down also 2.4% month on month, only 1.5% year on year. And consumer confidence again took another knock at negative 17.4 for May. Moving on to Germany, PMI composite 54.3, but again manufacturing dropped, and now 42.9. That's really sort of, above 50 is growth, below sort of 44 is not good, it's contraction, so that's not looking very good for Germany. And IFO was also below expectations at 88.5. And the data that came out, GDP data, confirmed that Germany was indeed in a technical recession. Bank of China left rates unchanged, 3.65%. New Zealand retail sales dropped 1.1% quarter on quarter, but they still hiked rates 25 basis points to 5.5%. And in Australia, again, same pattern. PMI is above 50 except for manufacturing, which was 46.1, and retail sales came in flat. Okay, so as usual, just a little bit of a reminder of what we provide as a company. You know, for us, it's all about helping you guys, all about helping you with your trading. You know, we've got our own group of traders, and, you know, we're trying to help as many people as possible, which is why we do the academy as well. And of course, we're always looking for those gems that we can add to our own prop desk. So we have a daily newsletter which includes global news, and also available are fresh daily chart levels and pivot points. If you're interested in sort of either learning or improving your trading skills, then our one-day workshops, got plenty of different ones. You know, they're sort of topic specific, just to sort of help you in certain areas. And also there's one which is an introduction to trading. Our 1 week courses will help you to feel confident after 1 week. You will have those foundations on which to build your trading career. And if you have an inner trader, in 1 week I can find it. If you're really serious about turning trading into a career, then our accredited masterclass is the one for you. It's been specifically designed to provide you with all the knowledge and trading tools required to navigate any market in any conditions, and also across any asset class. If you're already trading, then you may just need a little bit of help just to get to that next level, and of course we can help you with that through the mentoring. Company-wise, we help companies to look at their exposure, their bottom line risk for FX and commodities. And of course, we provide plenty of trader educational content to individuals, but also to exchanges and brokers. And if you feel a little bit sort of underfunded, or you want to perhaps not just use your capital, then through our partner, there's a great opportunity to gain a funded account. Of course, you've got to pass the challenge though. If you would like to reach out and contact us, it's info@cymaxfintech.com. And if you want to reach out to me with any trading questions, then it's chris.tubby@cymax-int.com. Hope to see you in part 2.